welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, please. Peeps! Today I'll be showing you how to hack Subway Surf. Subway Surf. Okay. You just download Subway Surf, and then once you do that, you wanna go to Google. Press Google, and then you type up Lucky Petrol. Lucky Petrol. Once you got there, you wanna go to Lucky Petrol. Go to Lucky Petrol. No. It's pretty slow. Okay, once let's see. It says download free, 5.9 megabytes. So you wanna download that? Once you download it, you go to home, and then you go to, once you download it, Subway Surf, you wanna go to Lucky Petrol, and then you wanna go to Lucky Petrol, and then you try and find Subway Surf. Once you find Subway Surf, you click on it, and then you find open menu of patches. Then you press that. Then you want to find APK rebuilt for in-app and LVL emulation. So you press that. Then you press rebuild. Nothing else. Just rebuild that. And this takes like a few minutes. So I might have to pause. Be right back. I am back. Once it's finished, you want to go to go to file. So you press it, then you try and find uninstall and install. So you want to click that, not install, not rebuild, not delete file or anything else, just uninstall and install. So you press that, then you want to press yes. Then it comes up with this, and then you want to press OK. Then it uninstalls, so you might want to wait. It takes a few seconds. So you press install, then it installs. It takes a few minutes, so that's why I'm just gonna pause right here. So I'll be right back. I am back. So once it's finished, you wanna go to done, press done, and then go back home. Then once you've finished downloading it, you want to go to Subway Surf. So this might take a while. So yep. This is some nice game. Here's a tip. Switch lanes in mid-air to dodge trains at the last minute. So yep, that's a tip. So it's loading, blah blah blah. Okay. So, oh yep, this comes up with this. Wanna do your birth? I was born March 2005. So you wanna, okay. Tap to play tutorial. So you want to play. This gets up and then up again. Then down, I think. Yes, down. Down again. Fresh moves. Oh, okay. Left, right. Double tap. You rock, now go. Yep. That's an F for fast, eh? Yes, I knew it. Okay. Tap to continue. Yep, it's done. So you want to go home. And then you go to shop. Then you go to store. And this gives you... Look, there's only 5 keys I've only got 5 keys. No coins. So you want to go to Vault of Coins. Then you tap on it. Google Play. Then you want to press yes. Nothing else. Just yes. Always yes. Contacting Google. Look how much I got now. Look how much money I got now. You want to do it all over and over again. If you want, oh, and if you want more keys, you want to go scroll down, then go to create of keys, 650 keys. That's the most. Then you want to press yes. The same thing. There, I'm getting heaps of keys. You can do it like forever. Probably like go up to the highest number in the world. But that takes like a few days, months, weeks. So yeah. So after you do that, I just want more coins. Yes. So I got 6 billion, I think. I don't know. So you want to go on me, and then go on, like, you just buy anyone. You got unlimited coins, stuff. So look at that. The more, yep. I'm just gonna buy anyone. Contacting, yep. Zombie Jake. Just unlock it. If you don't have enough, then you go back to the same thing and do the same thing. And you just keep it going on and on and on. So thank you for watching, and make sure you like this video. If you enjoy this video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I have a lot of giveaways to give out. And comment down below, the section below, and ask me anything. Like, tell me what to do on the next video. And thank you so much. I'll see you next time on Cedric Afagasi YouTube channel. Bye!